Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to recover your BitPay account. To recover your BitPay account, if you've forgotten your password and have no access to BitPay, simply follow through the instructions. First of all, open a web browser and type in the official website for BitPay, that is bitpay.com. You will then end up in the official website for bitpay.com, where you'll need to click on the login button at the top right corner. You will then be prompted to enter your email address and password associated with your BitPay account to get access to your account. But let's say you have forgotten your password. Since you will need email address and password for logging in, in this case, you can click on Forgot Your Password link at the bottom. On the next page, enter the email address associated with your BitPay account. After you do that, click on the Reset Password button. Complete the CAPTCHA if necessary, and an email will be sent immediately with a link to reset your password on your registered email address. Go ahead and open up a new tab and then sign into your email account. After opening up your email inbox, you'll receive an email from BitPay. Click it open, and then you will then receive a change password link. Click on change password, and on the next page, enter the new password you would like to change to. Finally, click on the reset password button, and your new password will be reset successfully. Next time you log into your account, enter the newly updated password. And that is how you can easily log in and gain access back on your BitPay account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.